Here we are with the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. Great looking boat, good all-around family boat for a day run. As normal, just like every Sea Ray, we've got a 5-year factory warranty on all major mechanical as well as a lifetime hull warranty. Coming around back, this particular one is equipped with a new style Mercury 200 outboard, as well as the ski pylon and a huge sunbathing patio on the back. Here we are inside at the bow of the 230 SPX. There's 2 forward-facing lounges as well as a rearward-facing lounge that can be removed to make an easily accessible step for getting on and off of the bow. Looking back, you can see we have lots of seating and lots of storage for up to the 13 people this boat is rated for. Both seats at the helm are convertible to be used for either standing or sitting. Underneath, we've got lots of storage. In the rear, there's a spot for a cooler that's built in that can be slid out easy. You've got another table mount right there, and the table and pedestals are easily stored below the rear sun deck, which, when we pull this little latch right here, converts up into tons of storage for both of the tables as well as all the canvas. Back at the helm, we have a Simrad 5-inch display unit, chart plotter, as well as analog gauges that are trimmed in Sea Ray stainless steel, just like their high-quality stainless steel steering wheel. And throughout the boat, we've got Fusion audio, which has multiple speakers both on the bow and on the sides. Finally, on the port side, we've got a door that opens up to a decent sized head on a boat of this size, which also could be used for a lot of additional storage.